This video demonstrates functionality of data logger device for Rigol DM3058 digital multimeter. Data logger connects to multimeter using serial connection and uses USB port for power. At power on, data logger checks connection and detects the multimeter. Multimeter is configured for 2-wire resistance measurement. Desired data logging rate can be set using data logger controls. Data logging is activated by pressing Start button. Measured resistance and number of values recorded are displayed. Measurements are saved in internal flash memory. In next example, multimeter is connected to signal generator that outputs slowly changing sine wave signal. Voltage measurements are recorded by data logger. Each measurement session is saved as file in flash memory. We can now view information of saved files. It shows file number, measurement type, and number of records within file. To retrieve saved measurements, data logger is connected to computer as USB storage device. It mounts as flash disk, where each measurement session is saved as separate file. Files can be opened in Microsoft Excel or any other application to process measured values. Excel can be used to quickly create graphical representation of measurements. In following example, lithium battery cell voltage and charging current will be measured. Data logging interval is set to 2 seconds. Battery charging and measurements recording is started. Lithium battery charging starts in constant current mode as battery voltage rises. At battery voltage about 4.1 volts, charging current starts to decrease. charging current has dropped to 50 milliamperes. Although battery charging can continue, data logging is stopped at this point. We can review details of new data file. It shows measurement mode and number of values recorded. To retrieve measurements, Data Logger is connected to computer. Mounted flash disk shows newly created file. It can be opened in Excel to view measurement values and to create graph of battery voltage and charging current. Column that counts data logging interval is added and formatting adjusted. Resulting graph shows constant current and constant voltage phases that are used in lithium battery charging process. Thanks for watching, and visit link in video description for more details about the Data Logger device.